Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get 007 First Light for free. This game is available on PC, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and get a free copy of the game. You can get a digital game code you can redeem on all platforms, and it is going to get you a free copy of 007 First Light, and this game is $70 so this is going to save you a bunch of money. Before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get 007 First Light for free. So you need to use your mobile phone internet browser and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type exactly like that, Crash Coupons, and it's going to bring you to this web page here. Now they actually have hundreds of different pages, so I do recommend just using the search bar and typing in 007 First Light. This is the codes page here to get a free digital game code. And like I said, guys, this is working on all platforms, so Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, Switch. And these are limited codes. I've already done this and it worked, so that's why I'm bringing you this tutorial. But as you can see, you need to unlock your personal digital game code. This basically stops people getting hundreds of copies of the game. You can only do this once, so click on Get Full Code. And then you're going to be brought to this page here that tells you exactly what you need to do to unlock your game code. So you need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below. Now, as you can see, I've only got 2 here, but you may see slightly more than me. These are really easy things like installing and opening mobile applications and playing games and stuff. So just follow the instructions below each of the apps and tasks that you see on this page. So yeah, fully complete 2 of them and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your 007 First Light game code will be fully revealed here, and then you simply redeem it in your platform of choice. I play on Xbox, so I redeemed it in the Microsoft Store, and that is how to get 007 First Light for free. So apologies if this video is really quick, but just go to Crash Coupons and it's pretty self-explanatory, guys, once you navigate your way to the 007 First Light game code page. Let me know what you think of the game. I think it's pretty fun, but I'm glad I didn't pay $70 for it. So yeah, anyway, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.